Hi, Princey Matharan. We have our NCLEX Saran Bina. She has cracked her NCLEX Saran exam in her first attempt with EDU and for your NCLEX Saran training. And she's also from Hyderabad, Telangana. Hi, Princey.
Hello, hi.
Princey, how do you feel after seeing your NCLEX Saran results?
I never thought that I will crack my NCLEX RN with the first attempt with EduInt for you. Because I'm a working woman, I didn't dreamt about that passing this much fast. So it is very happy moment for me and my family.
How did you come to know about EDU and for you NCLEX Saran training?
Actually, I took my first attempt with another consultancy like that. So I didn't made it. So I used to search all the social media like Insta, YouTube, and all. So I've seen EduIn for you recruitment based on Dubai like that. So I saw and I called to customer service for the first time, and they told me about all the like sudden training, coaching, and everything. And I thought we should try once. So I tried, and it was really very good with the EduIn for you class.
So, Princey, you were attempting the course along with your work, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, was it hard for you?
It is definitely hard, but it is not impossible for us. Nurses in India, we do have shifts like morning, evening, night, and all. During taking classes, like online classes, we should have some time. Like we go for the morning and we'll be tired in the evening, we can't get classes very sharply like that. But if we dedicate for few months, we can crack the NCLEX exam.
So, because I asked you this because there are many nurses who fear that we can't crack the exam because we are working. We don't have the time to study. So, how did you manage?
I've dedicated at any cost I need to crack the NCLEX RN. I started classes with EduIn for you, and they gave me the timings. So accordingly, my shifts have changed, excused with my employers and all, and asked permissions. And I started studying. It was hard, but yeah, it is good only.
So, what do you have to say to those people who say this is very hard? We cannot go hand in hand with study and work. What do you have to say to them? Do you have to fear like that?
Initially, I scared of studying this much of NCLEX is tough. We need to study from the basic and all the specialities and all. It is tough. Initially, I was scared of studying and all. I didn't know where to start, how to study. But anyhow, started. But during taking the classes from EduIn for you, the tutors and the lectures, coaches, they taught me how to study, where to approach, which topics we need to study, which are important for the NCLEX and all. They managed everything, and they gave study materials and recorded classes and also. So I managed, like I used to go for the shifts, and afterwards I used to listen for recorded classes. I used to take notes from them, and yeah, I managed like that.
So, how did you feel about our tutors' teaching methodology, the materials they use, and the kind of presentation they use? Was it helpful for you?
Basically, EduIn for you tutors chosen PowerPoint presentation classes, teach everything in a very very systematically. They use very good methods and the materials which we can understand easily. Some topics are there which cannot understand by only reading and studying. One person should be there to teach in depth. So in that way, my tutors have taught us in a simple manner. The hard subjects like cardiology, we don't know how in depth level, in a deeper level we don't know. But in an easy manner and very fastly, they explained. She explained very much, very smartly. So we can crack NCLEX through that. Some people may think like studying the books, memorizing the topic will helpful in NCLEX. It is not the case. NCLEX is different. We have to be very natural in our subject. It is a clinical judgment exam. So we need to have strong basics. For that, we need to have strong tutors to teach us. So that kind of teacher, coach, I met in EduIn for you, and she explained in awesome way. I'm a Telugu background, and she taught me in English very clearly, very systematically. She explained. so that I can understand. I understood all the topic in a core level, and again I studied in myself. I worked hard, and then during examination we forget everything. We only know what we have studied. So based on that experience, based on that confidence levels and the core deeper knowledge, only we can approach the questions, we can crack the English. So in that way, my tutor from Eduin for You helped me in that way. So this is the thing what I wanna share about Eduin for You. I never met like this tutors before. I studied many materials. I've gone through online classes and all, but it was nice and I cracked now.
So, what did you feel special about our classes? I think you have studied some other courses as well before joining with EduN4U. What made it different from EduN4U? How did you feel? Did you feel like something special is there in EduN4U training?
Special is, as I've mentioned earlier, that how to teach the students, how to teach the nurses which are already nurses in our country. We lack something we lack, and that teacher knows that very well. What she need to tell us, she told. What we need to hone, she told. That thing she know. I'm trying to say is, we are like all are same. We studied what we studied. Only Indian can know. Only we can know. She knows that. What we say, she actually hold our pulse. How can we study? What level we can study? What level we have knowledge? And in that way, she told everything. And yeah, 1-to-1 lecturing method. It was nice. But before, I had only online class. Like, it's not 1-to-1. It's all recorded classes I had. I forgot to mention it is live class. 1-to-1 conversation was there. If anything doubt I had, I used to raise my hand. I used to ask her. And at the moment, she used to clear our doubt. So it is like live classes, which was positive, and recorded classes to listen more and more times in order to understand the systems and all, and in a very good manner explain. Yeah, these things have really special from Eduin4U.
Like as I said before, there is some saying called practice makes everything perfect, right? So was there evaluations for you individually, like exams being conducted for you just to evaluate how well you're prepared?
Individually also, they took revision classes for us. She used to ask questions when we used to say answers. So most of the people know this is wrong, this is right, that's it. But here these lecturers, tutors, like, you're thinking in this way, you should not think in that way, you should think in like this. They know how we are thinking, how we are approaching, why we are approaching. That thing they know, and they used to correct us. No, this is not right. Of course, this is right, but this is not the thing. This is not the right approach for the NCLEX. Not for all exams. For the NCLEX, this is not the right approach. This is the thing. They used to explain not only system, they like molded our brains, like tuned our brains to the NCLEX. We've changed our brain to NCLEX to, clear the exam. So I like this. I wanted this, and I really like, and it is from our country only. From this, I'm so proud and I'm so happy.
So it was more kind of exam-oriented teaching, along with a kind of motivation which is needed for students who fear that there are chances you might fail, or who believe that this exam is really hard to crack, right?
It is both, but more exam-oriented.
Okay.
Because motivation we can see from anywhere, from any video, from anything from the world. We can see motivation, but we can't find correct tutor to see our flaws and correct us. Correction, molding is there from Eduin rather than motivating and all.
As you said before, you were working, so you will have to take leave. So in that case, was the recorded sessions helpful for you to revise and maintain the continuity of the classes?
We don't find that much of leaves to take. But the positive thing, the plus thing from Eduin4U is recorded classes. And also, we used to text our tutor at any time. I used to text my doubt, she used to clear. And recorded classes not only for missed classes. For some systems, for some topics, we have to listen more and more time. Then only we can understand. See, it's a vast, nursing is a vast subject. We can't, only one record section, we can't understand. We have to more and more times listen and understand and everything. So, recorded class is a blessing from Eduin for you. I used to listen during live class. After that, I used to see record class. Through that, I used to take notes. What is important? What is I didn't know after classes during my examination. Before the examination, I taken all the notes which I have noted from the Eduin recorded classes only. So that was very beneficial for me because I said that English is vast. We can't review at 1, 2, 3 days. I cannot review all those things. But something during class will be there. So through recorded classes, I made note and I studied before exam and I cracked the NCLEX. So recorded classes was nice.
So, how did our customer support system and the client coordinators, how was their service helpful to you?
They were very nice. The first time I called in Jane for you, she was very warm, friendly, motivating, compelled me, forced me she motivated me to take class. This is good. We can do much for you. You can join like that. And after that, after joining, and whenever I call for my journey, for my visa purposes and the registration purpose, I used to call my documentation person. She's very friendly. She used to clear all my doubts whenever I call. See, we are initial phase. We have so many doubts to clear. All the experts in the documentation and they have seen many people, they knew it, but still they have to clear our doubts without any irritation. That thing I've seen from Eduin for you. All my customer service people, documentation people were very nice. They cleared all my doubts and they're very friendly. Whenever I call, whenever I text, they just nice say, hi Preeti, this is not this, this is this. They're very cute. I like it.
Will you refer our service to your friends or colleagues or nurses or any other healthcare professionals?
Yes, of course, who are willing to take NCLEX classes and also journey to any other country. I definitely wanna share this good news and wanna tell about Eduin for you. And I'm already doing it actually. Whenever possible, someone are there, I will tell them.
So we are also happy that you are also happy with our services and you made it to the final NCLEX RN success as well. And that was the hardest milestone, I guess everybody used to say. And you've cracked it in your first attempt with Eduin for you. And we are so happy that we could also be part of it. And what is your future plans?
Future plan is to go Canada. There I want to become a registered nurse. And after that, I want to do doctoral degree there. So for that is the first step and I cracked it. I'm so happy. And I'm seeing much more from Eduin for you in the journey. So and I'm happy with this.
So Princey, where are you doing your licensing process? Is it from Eduin for you?
Yeah, yes.
So we are also part of the licensing process. It's so nice that you completed all your processes from Eduin for you. What about the review on that? How was that service?
That was from documentation's part. I used to call every time regarding registration, licensing. They clear my doubts very clearly. Not this Princey, this is not the right, this is the thing I've seen many clients. This is the case. So they explain in very beautiful manner, in a friendly manner. So it is very easy for me to contact them. And it's not irritating. I've seen much more customer services before. I didn't see like this. Not irritating. They're friendly, they're good.
And we're so happy that we could be part of all these steps to reach your dream, that is Canada. And being an RN in Canada, it's a dream for most of the nurses because you get more salary, more standard of living, and that's which catches your eyes there. Thank you so much for choosing Eduin for you, and we wish to see you in Canada someday soon. We wish you all the very best.
Thank you all. Thank you so much.